What is up, guys? I'm back here with another video.
You know, now we used to just put aside.
Yo, what up, guys? It's Killer Gamer back here with another video. Trying to update something now. So this is one of our new guns. You can hear talking in the background because I'm talking to the birds as well. They wanted me to call them. Bro, you guys literally saw that last night. That guy just got wrecked. Hiya! It's called. Oh, that's what I put it on mute. The group is called Porno Premium for a reason, guys. Like, you know. Why can I not jump off here? There we go. Oh, I can see your nigga face as well, mate. Mate, you're dreaming. I have not got one killed with the shotgun yet. There we go. Follow.
Guess what? My parents are making a weed gun. A weed gun?
Let's go! I'm coming to raid your house now, bro.
Yeah, they're doing it. Because they got enough seeds to make 2 gardens now.
Yeah, I've got enough seeds to make about 4 gardens.
Do that back to me? Thank you.
Yo!
Alright, can I grab my info?
Where is it? I don't know where the fuck it is. Bro, we are killing it with kills. This shotgun is beast.
Oh, she left.
Oh, I'm done. Fire to see.
Another song. What's another
I
song?
like big butts and I cannot lie. All the other girls can't deny.
Who's that chick from America?
Fuck me, it's Fat Amy. Hi, baby.
Why, didn't you hear her accent?
She doesn't like me too.
Babies.
Didn't you hear her accent?
Nah. Oh yeah, I know who we're talking about, bro.
It was like, please pass the butter. It was like really sharp.
Can you please pass the butter?
Dude, no. What are you doing? What's wrong?
It was like American. What's another song?
Of course, last kills on me.
You know, you want Army by Stan Walker?
Yo, play. Listen to this song. So I'm gonna play Stan Walker's song. I screamed in my ear. I screamed in my ear, bro. Chill, bro. Baby. 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 Hello. Welcome to McDonald's. How can I help you? Baby. Hey, you can go down there if you want. No, I don't think it's been closed. Just the way you are. Oh no. So we're just trying to upgrade the shotgun. Hey, what's it? Fuck you! Hi, Jason. Is lockdown now longer?
Is it over?
No, longer.
Not much change.
I'll have a look at this.
What about these songs? Are they all yours?
What, in black? Yeah.
All of them?
Yeah. Big young sir? I mean, old sir? Whatever you would like to be called. Yo!
Go for a ride to measure our run.
Are you?
Maybe.
Nah. I'm alright. Is it a 3K run today?
Nah.
Tomorrow?
No. Saturday.
Did they? You know, say. Three Ks, if you think about it, it actually ain't that long.
3K.
Yeah, in a way, it's not that long.
Not quite a third more than running around that block.
Yeah. Fuck that, I'm not going shotguns unless the fun playing team. Huh? I'm on a call as well. Yeah. Okay, Sean, what did you do to baby? Oh, that song's called The Box. That's shit. Oh, it's hot. I want to smoke, but I can't go into the kitchen schedule. Yahoo! I don't even care about fucking killing the dudes. I just care about... What the hell? I just care about fucking trying to get rid of that. I do not know.
Yeah?
You say what? I'm so confused.
What?
Never mind, never mind. Never mind, guys.
What do you mean, never mind? I think it's mine. Oh my god.
Take me out, take you. Actually, no, it's Luigi then.
Oh, my bastard.
Only 3 kills. No. Cancel. Cancel. So we're gonna play domination. Just cause it's part of some challenges. Aiden, top it all. Come jam with us, bro.
Alright, what's on?
So we're gonna jam some.
Oh god, so sad.
Don't mind me, I'm trying to put baby girl in Sean to sleep.
Give son a hug. Hey, Sean. Okay, Sean, give son a hug. Who's got children? Sissy, give son a hug. So I don't know how long I was just standing there for. I was gonna say, if you got children, you're a bot. Sorry about that, guys. I just had a phone call. I had to, urgent phone call. I had to. God damn it! A quick phone call I had to attend. It was very important actually. But it was just a quick phone call. All it was just a round starting. Nothing major really. Yeah, we're just gonna. If this does work, here's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna like shoot them a couple of times with if I missed a shotgun shot, I'm gonna shoot them with ooh, you're lucky. I would have just straight killed you right there. But you got off lucky. Watch the other way. Oh, you're lucky as well. So I would have placed about like 20 RCXDs. Fuck, kitty, fuck. We got about 2. But we just won that game. Nothing very major. I can't hear you because I have a big phone call. think that won't last for me as well. So we've got sets. I'm just gonna show you guys my challenges of what I have to do. So we finally upgraded the shotgun to level 1. I'm just gonna quickly show you the challenges I have. Daily challenge. Play 5 matches in multiplayer. Kill 3 enemies with RPGs. And wait, what? I killed 3 people with RPGs. Okay. Make the first 3 kills in any mode. So I only done 1. Anyway, this is the one I'm trying to do. So we've got to play 20 matches of frontline. 10 matches. I've been playing domination. Oh yeah, that's right, I'm playing domination. Place first on MVP or top 3. Play 10 multiplayer matches with a friend. Revive a friend in Battle Royale. Place top 10 in Battle Royale 3 times. Kill 20 enemies in Battle Royale, so we've only done 1. No, we're not gonna do all those challenges in this one stream. I am going to I am going to, what's it called? Like, stream in between. So I was just playing earlier. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. It is kind of boring, I must admit. But yeah, I'm just doing it for the content. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed.